Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not joining games on mobile. First, let's cover the basics. Make sure your internet connection is stable and strong, whether you're on Wi-Fi or mobile data. A weak signal can prevent you from connecting. Next, confirm that your Roblox app is updated to its very latest version. Outdated apps often have bugs that are fixed in newer releases. Finally, quickly check if Roblox servers are experiencing any widespread outages, as this would affect everyone. Moving on to device-specific solutions, a common fix is to clear the Roblox app's cache and data. This can resolve issues caused by corrupted temporary files. You can usually find this option in your device's app settings. After that, give your mobile device a complete restart. This simple step can often clear up minor software glitches. Also, ensure you have at least 500 megabytes of free storage space, as low storage can impact app performance. Now, let's look at network and account-related fixes. Sometimes, the issue might be with your current network. Try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if one connection works better. Another effective step is to log out of your Roblox account and then log back in. This can refresh your session. Additionally, if you're using any VPN or proxy services, try disabling them temporarily, as they can sometimes interfere with game connections. If the problem still persists, it's time for some more advanced steps. Consider completely reinstalling the Roblox application. This ensures you have a fresh, clean installation. Also, double-check that your device's date and time settings are set to automatic. Incorrect settings can sometimes cause connectivity issues. If you've tried all these solutions and are still unable to join games, your best course of action is to contact Roblox support directly for personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.